Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, the focus is on a crucial accessory for anyone utilizing Elmo document cameras, specifically models like the MO-1, MO-1W, and their various iterations such as the 1337-1, 1337-2, 1337-3, 1337-164, and the 1336-12. This particular item is the FitPow AC-DC adapter, designed as a direct replacement or spare power supply for these visual presenters. One of the standout features of this FitPow adapter is its universal compatibility with power outlets worldwide. With a worldwide input voltage of 100-240 VAC at 5060 Hz, users can confidently power their Elmo document camera whether they are at home, in the office, or traveling internationally. This eliminates the need for multiple adapters or voltage converters, simplifying setup and ensuring consistent performance no matter the location. Safety is paramount when it comes to power supplies, and the FitPow adapter incorporates robust protection mechanisms. It boasts OVP, OCP, and SCP protection. OVP, or over-voltage output protection, safeguards the connected Elmo device from receiving excessive voltage that could potentially cause damage. OCP, or overcurrent output protection, prevents the adapter from supplying too much current, which could lead to overheating or component failure. Lastly, SCP, or short circuit output protection, immediately cuts power in the event of a short circuit, protecting both the adapter and the document camera from harm. These layers of protection provide significant peace of mind for the user, knowing their valuable equipment is well protected. The product description also highlights that these units are tested units and are confirmed to be in great working condition. This assurance speaks to the quality control measures in place, suggesting that each adapter has undergone scrutiny to ensure it meets operational standards before reaching the consumer. For a device as critical as a document camera, having a reliable and tested power source is absolutely essential for uninterrupted presentations and recordings. It is crucial for potential buyers to double-check their specific Elmo model number against the comprehensive list provided in the product listing. The manufacturer explicitly states that responsibility for incorrect purchases cannot be accepted, underscoring the importance of verifying compatibility before making a purchase. This diligence ensures that the correct power supply is acquired, guaranteeing seamless operation of the Elmo visual presenter. In summary, the FitPow AC-DC adapter presents itself as a highly reliable, safe, and globally compatible power solution for a range of Elmo document cameras. Its built-in safety features, universal voltage input, and tested quality make it a compelling choice for anyone needing a dependable power supply for their Elmo MO-1 or MO-1W series visual presenter.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.